The world currently has 350 species of fish, and this count is continuously increasing. Every day, the number of fish increases by up to 350,000, and each year, this number swells to about 130 million. At this time, the largest fish in the water is the blue whale, and when we compare it with other animals and birds in the world, the largest creature in this world is the Antarctic blue whale. This blue whale can grow up to approximately 98 feet, or 30 meters, in length, and it weighs about 400,000 pounds, or 181,436 kilograms, which is equivalent to the weight of a full 33 elephants. Our land is approximately 4.5 billion years old, and many types of creatures have come into existence and gone extinct during this era, so in such a long era, only the blue ones are the largest creatures present in our world. In the blue ones, there are not just fish but a matter. If we look at it from the perspective of fish, the great white shark is the largest fish present in the world today. Its length is about 15 to 16 feet, or 5 meters, and its weight can reach up to 680 to 61,100 kilograms. Just like millions of years ago dinosaurs existed on land, sharks also existed in the oceans millions of years ago, known as Megalodon. The Megalodon ruled the oceans about 3.6 million years ago. Its length could reach up to 60 feet, and when fully grown, it could measure about 3 meters long, which, when compared to a human, was many times larger. Its jaw had approximately 270 sharp teeth that were up to 7 inches long, and during a research, scientists discovered something that amazed them. If a megalodon lost 2 teeth in an attack, it only took 1 day for a new tooth to emerge. The pressure it created while gripping its prey with its mouth was around 10 tons, which could easily break the shell of a turtle. Due to being so large, megalodons needed to eat heavily every day. According to scientists, to survive, it needed to consume up to a ton of food daily, which could come from creatures present in the ocean, such as walruses, seals, or other sharks if it met its food needs. The weight of the megalodons, young, used to be between 2 to 3 tons, and their length could reach up to 10 feet. To survive, megalodons needed as much water as possible, which is why they used to live in the depths of the ocean. For this reason, megalodons did not go to the shores of the sea to hunt. The size of the megalodon was very large, and a decrease in water level proved to be fatal for them. Despite being so big and powerful, what was the reason that led to the extinction of megalodons from the world forever, just like the extinction of dinosaurs was caused by the asteroid that fell to the Earth? So, what exactly happened with the megalodons that led to their accidental disappearance from this world? No one knows, but there have been many theories presented regarding their accidents. However, there is one theory that is considered the most true and ideal. According to that theory, over time, other creatures in the ocean began to fill up rapidly due to evolution, and the number of fish also started to increase very quickly. These small fish were being preyed on by very large sharks. It was a time when the population of great white sharks was rapidly increasing. About 3.6 million years ago, the temperature of most parts of the ocean was quite low, but these creatures needed a higher temperature to survive. Surviving in cold regions was almost negligible, and so as the temperature decreased, along with the cold, megalodon sharks began to migrate towards the regions. But those fish that had satisfied their hunger by eating the next two had moved to those areas, and in those regions, there were very few small fish present in the sea. To put it plainly, I was experiencing a decrease in food for the pleasure of angling, which caused them to feel hungry, but they began to feed on their own small offspring, and in this way, the megalodons were completely wiped out. But it only seems that way to us, and are they still present in this world today? In the past few years, such times have emerged, which gives evidence of the life of the megalorans. In 1875, 2 teeth were found from the sea to find the mantle. When they went to carbon dating, it was found that these teeth are only a few years old. But the question here is that Megalodon was destroyed millions of years ago, so how can these teeth be 10,000 years old? In 2009, a shark was missioned to find a fish in a documentary of History Channel in Gulf of California, and it was also shown on live television. People here said that there is a very big shark fish present here which is very fast. It is calling the fish of this area. They said that the shark is about 45 feet long, and if it is true then it is a white shark. Absolutely not have the power because it could perhaps only be up to 20 feet. As soon as this news came, the channel's team started a mission to find the fish in the sea, but despite countless attempts, no fish was recovered from there. There are still many theories about Bengaluru 2 existing in the world today, but maximum people think it had been extinct from the world millions of years ago, and all the evidence and pictures found in the last years are fake. But whether Maclaurin is completely extinct or not is very difficult to estimate because there were many creatures that scientists had declared extinct which later proved to be wrong. According to scientists, the fish named has been extinct 630 million years ago, but the same fish was seen washed up on the shores of South Africa in 1938. This fish is a distant relative of dinosaurs present on this Earth. Until 1976, scientists had no knowledge of a shark of this kind that has existed in this world for about 65 million years. This shark is called the megamouth shark, which was discovered in 1976. This shark is extremely rare because its population has dwindled to almost none. The shark can grow up to 7 meters long and weighs 2,700 pounds, which is about 12–15 kilograms. Even in this modern period, after many years of research, humans have only explored about 5% of the ocean. In the ocean, 5% of the big is known and there is no information about the remaining 95% about what and which creatures are present there. The Mariana Trench is considered the deepest point of the ocean, and who all are settled there is still unknown to anyone. What do you think about this big in the ocean? Do make sure to share your opinion in the comment section. I hope you will like and share this video and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.